So now, dear students, after the discussion of the chemical reactions and the reactants in the products and the several example of chemical reaction we have seen, now here your book has given one activity here, means burning of magnesium ribbon. Means what happens when you burn the magnesium ribbon. Remember, magnesium is a metal and which undergo the chemical reaction with the oxygen to produce the magnesium oxide. So let us see activity what to do. Just simply you have to take a burner and you have to take about 2 to 3 centimeter long in length of the magnesium ribbon. Here you can see it is the magnesium ribbon about 2 to 3 centimeter long, and you have to hold this magnesium ribbon with the help of pair of tongs. This is the device available in the chemistry lab. You have to hold magnesium ribbon with this pair of tongs with your hands, and when you just burn this burner, but before taking the magnesium ribbon for the reactions or the for burning purpose, you have to clean this magnesium ribbon with the help of sandpaper. मतलब मैग्नीशियम रिवर को सैंड पेपर से थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको क्लीन आउट करना है. Why to clean out? Because here I have written here, you have to clean out its surface because its surface might contain the earlier magnesium oxide. मतलब इससे पहले एक मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड लेयर डिपॉजिट हो जाता है ड्यू टू द स्लो रिएक्शन विद द ऑक्सीजन. So when you take that and when you don't clean the magnesium ribbon using the sandpaper, then it may not give you the proper flame or dazzling flame or the bright flame. It may have a slow burning process. So need to have a rapid and clean burning of the magnesium. Magnesium ribbon, you have to clean magnesium ribbon using the sandpaper. So after cleaning the magnesium ribbon with sandpaper, you have to place over the flame as shown in the figure 1.1. When you place over the flame, this magnesium ribbon catches flame very fastly, very soon, producing, it catches fire easily and quickly. मतलब बहुत जल्दी से वो फायर पकड़ लेता है, producing dazzling light. Now what is meaning of dazzling light? Dazzling light means very bright flame. मतलब वो काफी वाइट ब्राइट लाइट के साथ वो जलना शुरू कर देगा. तो बट यू शुड अवॉइड seeing this kind of dazzling light because it is very harmful for our eyes. Okay, so here you can represent the reactions. Later on we will show the reaction of the magnesium ribbon with the oxygen after the discussion of the chemical equations. So here you may write when magnesium ribbon combust means when it have the reaction with the oxygen, then magnesium oxide means ash. In powdery form of ash is produced, collected in the watch glass. Here you can see जब ये मैग्नीशियम रिबन जल जाएगा, उसके बाद यहाँ पे एक आस मीन्स राख जमा होता है इसके जलने के बाद, उसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. हियर यू कैन सी. सो व्हेन मैग्नीशियम रिबन कंबस्ट, देन मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड मीन्स आस के रूप में वाच ग्लास में कलेक्ट हो जाता है. यहाँ पे हियर दिस इज द वाच ग्लास, राइट. सो मैग्नीशियम react with the oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. Later on we shall represent using the molecular formula after the discussion of the chemical equations. Now caution means सावधानी. इसमें क्या सावधानी बरतना है इस एक्टिविटी को करते हुए? Means you have to perform this activity or the experiment under the supervision of expert or your teachers. मतलब टीचर की सुपरविजन में ही परफॉर्म करना. अदरवाइज यू मे हैव सम काइंड ऑफ द वेरी harmful for your hands. You may just burn your hands and it may be just dangerous, equally dangerous for your eyes due to the dazzling light, right? So when magnesium is allowed to burn, then magnesium oxide एज अ आस के रूप में यहाँ पे जमा हो जाता है. और ये मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड बेसिक इन नेचर है, बिकॉज जब मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को पानी में डालोगे, मतलब व्हेन यू जस्ट मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को वाटर में डालते हो तब ये बेस बन जाता है. बेस मीन्स विच टर्न द रेड लिथमस पेपर इनटू द ब्लू, मतलब वहां पे यदि रेड लिथमस पेपर वहां पर डालेंगे इस सॉल्यूशन में, जब मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को हम लोग पानी में डालेंगे तो ये आपका मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड बनता है, मींस बेस बनता है। जब वो बेस में हम लोग यदि आपका रेड कलर ऑफ लिथमस पेपर डालेंगे तो आपका ब्लू टर्न करता है, व्हिच प्रूव करता है कि वो आपका बेस बन चुका। मींस सो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इज बेसिक इन नेचर, मींस all metal oxide are basic in nature. Dear students, I think you must have been clear up to this